There we go. A vehicle. There. I think miss it. I think at some point in time I do owe you guys kind of a truck components. It's one of the reasons why, unless I want to. I might. All right, y'all, I am out here with the Talon just for a little bit. I've never really run him in this area. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hit that ramp that much, but I figured get him out here and have some fun real quick. Nice little open field run. I don't know if I can hit this ramp or not, but we'll try it. This grass is pretty thick out here. Hasn't probably been cut in a minute. I almost had that. There we go. That's what we were trying to do. Turn around the other way. I was running something a little bit earlier. I didn't need that much space because it was a smaller vehicle. Forgot how mean this Truggy sounds as you're running it. Okay, if they didn't need the grass cut, I'm doing a little bit for them. Trimming it down some. Trying not to run these tires on the street too much because they will wear down. And they are not cheap. $51.99 a pair. They did have a sale going on. And I did get a pair because I did end up stripping one of my hexes in one of them. There we go. I'm glad Arrma did bring this back. Maybe they'll release a non-EXB version, like when this first came out. I don't know if they will, if they won't, but I think these are currently $6.99 now instead of $6.49 at the time of this video. It could change, but I knew that was gonna happen. I was gonna end up jumping so far where I was going to possibly land down this concrete. So that means I probably need to move this ramp back, which I'm not gonna do, but flip this over. You guys see, this has been through it. I have tested the EXB durability of this vehicle. And it's held up pretty good. I've had a couple of broken things here and there. Thus far, I haven't broken an A-arm, and I can't tell. I haven't checked my chassis. I don't think it's bent, but let's see if I can hit it going this way. I doubt it. I know some of you guys, oh, get a bigger, wider ramp. Y'all, this helps me with my driving, actually, even if I do miss it. This helps me learn how to drive a little bit better. I think at some point in time, I do owe you guys kind of a Truggy shootout, but part of the problem why I haven't done it is because some of my Truggies are older than others. So there may be some pieces and components clean out here that are possibly gonna break on one that's a little bit older than one that's brand new. And that's one of the reasons why, unless I wanna, I didn't think I'd be able to catch that in the air. It's got the power to turn, so I was like, ooh, I need to scoot this ramp back. Yeah, I missed that one completely. But you guys see this Truggy jumps and handles really well. Well, I'm not gonna try it. See, I might be able to pull a backflip off, but we're not gonna try it. May have to do some minor adjustments, but I did kind of raise it up too, so it's not as low. Ooh. And I think I might have shut off completely. I'll come unplugged. I did raise this body up. What I was trying to say, yeah, I came unplugged because I'm gonna put a different body on here, which you guys will see coming up pretty soon. But anyway, I'm gonna plug this up. I'm gonna run it some more and drive it out here a little bit more. So you guys want to run this for a few minutes for you. These are good Truggies. If you're ever looking for a durable, fast Truggy, which you can make a speed Truggy and stuff, I would say go with this. It is probably the cream of the crop as far as bashing goes. I know there's other stuff out there, Techno and all, but I don't have a Techno just yet. I may get that, but I'm thinking about the Mugen Truggy because I did have the MBX7 buggy. But anyway, we'll see. But don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.